Therapy Appointment offers an online intake process so that you may have a truly paperless practice. You simply configure your client portal settings under your profile. Set up auto-assigned forms that you design, or choose to use or edit a form from our form library. Next, add a new client and invite them to activate their portal via a link sent to their email address. Once they set up their own username and password, your client is then walked through a process that follows the rules that you set up, which can include updating their profile, entering a payment card on file, completing a self-biography, completing and signing your forms, and providing their insurance information. Those details are then updated directly in your account under the patient's profile, allowing you to review or download the documents. Therapy Appointment. You provide the therapy, we provide the rest.